What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a full review of the itel S24, powered by the MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra and featuring a 108 megapixels rear camera. Last year's predecessor surprised us with its performance, especially considering the phone cost only 3,500 pesos. So the big question is, should we expect the unexpected again? Stick around for the full review to find out. First off, the phone's design is similar to last year's model, with one key difference. The itel S24 is bigger and comes with better hardware. The units we're reviewing is the black version, powered by the MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra, 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Navigating the phone and browsing the internet is a breeze, thanks to its capable processor paired with 8GB of RAM. It also features a 90Hz IPS display, which ensures smooth scrolling and animations. Sure, there are phones with 120Hz screen out there, but for daily tasks, 90Hz is more than enough. The display has a peak brightness of 480 nits. It's bright enough and I didn't experience any issues reading or watching content, even in well-lit environments like under the sun. Speaking of watching movies, even though the phone has a 720p IPS display, the experience is still pleasant. It's clear that itel didn't compromise on display quality despite the lower resolution. Now let's get into the camera test. The phone boasts a 108 megapixels rear camera and a 8 megapixels front-facing camera. In this close-up shot, the photo looks great even in photo mode. It manages to produce a nice blur effect in the background. In this next photo, the camera makes red and blue colors vibrant, but the background is slightly overexposed. This photo lacks sharpness and detail, although it has a good contrast. However, the overexposed background remains an issue. In another shot, the photo looks decent but is overexposed. To avoid this, adjust the exposure settings before taking the picture. At 2x zoom or 2 times zoom, the photo quality is decent but shows some graininess and noise upon close inspection. Now, in low light conditions, the camera performs decently, but don't expect too much in terms of detail and sharpness. It's a budget phone, not a flagship. With less light, the camera struggles even more. However, switching to super night mode improves the result significantly. Now for the front-facing camera, the 8 megapixel sensor delivers decent selfies. At night, with a well-lit environment, the photos are still good. Personally, I prefer using the beautification mode here, when recording videos at 1440p. The quality doesn't quite resemble true 2K resolution, and to me, it feels closer to the 1080p, and here's a side-by-side comparison for reference.
Color fades away, nothing stays the same. Uncover your new how, reach for the skies. Uncover your new horizon, open your eyes. Uncover your new style, make your way. Tech never looks so vibrant.
Now let's move on to gaming. Mobile Legends runs smoothly at its highest settings, with no lag, frame drops, or overheating, even during extended play sessions. Next off, Call of Duty Mobile also performs well. The touchscreen is highly responsive, making this phone a solid choice for FPS gamers looking for an affordable option. For FIFA Mobile, the phone handles the game without issues. However, loading time can be a bit slow, and some animations and the main menu experience slight frame drops. FIFA Mobile is also a power-hungry game, but the phone's 5,000 mAh battery and bypass charging make up for it. And a side note for eFootball, the phone handles it without any noticeable problems. Overall, the itel S24 is a great budget phone with some minor issues in the camera department, but nothing a software update can't fix it. if itel pay attentions. If you're planning to buy a new budget smartphone, it's definitely worth considering. Priced at just over 60,000 pesos, it offers good value for money. You might even save more during sales on online shopping platforms. If you already own the itel S24, it's worth keeping for at least another year or so. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.